I fished these waters my whole life, but now, no fish. The ocean is in crisis. Acidification, warning, the disappearing of life. So, what should I do?
We hear this story again and again, and that's why we created Seamind, Denmark's first plug-and-play seaweed farming system. We help fishermen like you become part of the solution.
I did try seaweed cultivation, but it was hard. There's no support and no system. With Seamind, it's different. They give me everything I need to start. They help me with ready-to-install system, help me with legal permits, and even give me a platform where I can connect with others.
Exactly, but not just that, because at our website you will learn how to sell it, eat it, or supply it to businesses using seaweed in production, such as food, cosmetics, or building isolation. And we need to produce locally, because right now 99% of the seaweed consumed in Denmark is imported from Asia. This makes no sense, not for the environment and not for the economy, and we want to change that.
It's designed to fit my needs. All I have to do is place it in the water and see the seaweed grow from the frame. So now my cutter doesn't have to go to empty waters anymore, but instead it can go to my seaweed farm. This is not just climate action. This is a business.
And here's the proof. Because just look at this. For 10 years ago, the seaweed sales in Denmark were close to zero. But now, in 2022, we imported over 6,000 tons of seaweed-based products. This is a business opportunity. More demand and more export. And the market is ready, and we are stepping in at the perfect time.
Yes, the market is ready. And Danish Seaweed Association already told us they want to buy the rig. We have schools across Denmark who want to use it for education, and fishers like me want to be part of the future. Someone even told us I would love to try if someone could help me get started.
Our production price is 250 euros. Our validated selling price is 1,000 euros. We also offer support and workshops.
So, since there isn't plenty of fish in the sea any longer, now seaweed is my #1 income. And our next step is go to Europe. We want to expand because Seamind is ready to scale.
I'm Flora and this is Tit, and we want to restore the ocean together. Seamind, simple, scalable, sustainable. We want to grow seaweed for a better tomorrow.